You might want to keep your personal number private, or you need multiple accounts while verifying your phone number while creating your account on Airbnb. If you've ever struggled with phone number verification, you know how frustrating it can be to miss out on booking that perfect getaway or hosting eager travelers. But fear not, there's an ideal solution that can simplify the process, using a virtual phone number. This innovative approach not only ensures you receive those crucial OTP codes without a hitch, but it also keeps your personal information safe and sound. In this video, we'll dive into how you can easily verify your phone number for Airbnb using a virtual number from KrispCall. With plenty of options available from over 100 countries, including a free virtual number for new users from the UK, US, or Canada, you'll be able to set up in no time, plus a $1 credit to try out the platform. Join us as we guide you step by step through the verification process using a virtual phone number, ensuring you can book or host with confidence and ease. Simply head over to KrispCall.com, choose from over 100 virtual phone numbers, and sign up for an account. Once you're in, select the UK mobile number for the best OTP delivery success rate. Submit any necessary documents and complete the payment process. To ensure a smooth OTP verification process, we recommend using a UK mobile number, as most of our customers regularly receive OTPs from the UK. Here's how you can easily verify your Airbnb account using a UK virtual number. Go to the Airbnb website or app and start the registration process. When prompted for a phone number, enter the UK virtual number you just purchased. After entering your virtual number, Airbnb will send an OTP verification code via text message, SMS. Enter the OTP code to complete the verification process. Disclaimer: it solely depends on Airbnb to deliver SMS containing the OTP code. KrispCall does not block any SMS or calls sent to your number. By following these steps, you can smoothly use a virtual phone number to receive OTPs from Airbnb, enhancing your account security and privacy. You can choose numbers from any country, but it's important to choose SMS-enabled or mobile numbers. Keep in mind that local or toll-free numbers might not always work for OTP verification on Airbnb. Contact our chat support for more information.